As I do not look good in blonde. They're supposed to be like natural stones. Okay, so I got this package. Oh, so let me find out how much I paid for these things. First thing I got, and it is 204. Carmelian. I don't even remember getting this. It's supposed to be amethyst. Yep. So I got a purple one and these two red ones that were supposed to be turquoise red. And this one is, well, I'm gonna open it this soon. Like it. I told you guys I'm trying to use more bread. So I got a wig cup. I'm gonna try this in a little bit. I got a wig. Okay, I'm gonna try this in a little bit. What is this? Sacks. I pay for the sacks $3.99. And how many? Okay. I don't know what is this. Okay, let's see. I cannot see. Really nice fit. I like them. For the sunglasses, $4.48. And I got a kettle. I need to go to the kitchen and try this. Don't own any electrical kettle, so I can take it here. Like this water bottle. Like for my plants and stuff. I want to try this. I'm gonna try this in a little bit. Okay, and two more of these. And this is to gift. So I'm gonna keep two, and then these three I'm gonna give to my friends for Chinese, so Lunar New Year's, which is and I got this sweater dress. For the electric kettle I paid $19.49, and for the dress I paid $26. In a size medium. For the bottle was $5.50, and for the wig was $13, and $1 for the cup. So Okay, so I'm gonna try on this dress right now. I didn't like the dress. I mean, it feels warm and thick. It has a really nice fabric, but I didn't like the fit. I'm gonna keep something that I don't love. I like it, but I didn't like how it fits in my body. Maybe because I don't have the body for this type of dresses, I don't know. But yeah, I'm not gonna keep this dress. Okay, so I'm gonna try on the wig now. I'm gonna put my wig cap, and then I'm gonna put my so I was putting in both of them together at the same time, and then I was like pulling one end, and then the other was like flying. The other one just flew. Anyway, I think I got it. It's not so tight. And now I'm gonna get the wig. It looks nice. It looks pretty, but it is blonde. I wanted to get something dark, but since my hair is already dark, I didn't see the point. Okay, so I'm so excited. Okay, how well, it is a wig and it does look like a wig. However, I like it. I think it would look better if I had my hair braided. So I'm gonna ask my sister to braid my hair, and then I'm gonna put the cap properly, and then gonna wear my wig. But it doesn't look that bad, I think. So how do I look blonde? Terrible. I don't know if I could go out like this. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go to the kitchen and try this. So let's see if this thing works or not. Okay, so the cable is really short. Okay, so turn it on. So the water is not boiling yet. Okay, so it is shaking a little bit. Oh, and it turned off automatically. So after boiling, it turned off automatically. I like it. The only thing I didn't like about the kettle is that the cable is really short. But other than that, I like it. So now I have my water in my water bottle. Oh yeah, it works. So it has like a little spray. I don't know why, but it has it. And then you can drink it like this. So The reason why my hair is black is because I do not look good in blonde. I reviewed the footage and I didn't like it. So my favorite things are these bracelets, beads bracelets. They're supposed to be like natural stones and they're super cool. Anyway, that was all. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.